Just for you guys and only you guys, I'm going to try out the most affordable to the most expensive Easter eggs available in Goa.
One name that stands out in Easter eggs by Judy, a familiar favorite for many. Judy's Easter eggs and chocolates are found at various local outlets across Goa, and if you've celebrated Easter here, chances that you've tasted her creation. Her Easter eggs stay at rupees 80 onwards. So no matter what your budget might be, Judy ensures that you go home with an Easter egg that you like. Here's her story.
A lot of activity at my workplace. Bunnies, chicks, hens laying golden eggs, bunnies, small, big, designer range. So we cater to all, lower, middle, upper segment.
Back in the days, what would be like the Easter egg things that people would actually or
Okay, they were hollow, ones filled with goodies, gems, chocolates. In-house, now when the chocolates that are going to be put inside the bunny figurines is made in-house, we put in gems, generally our own handmade chocolates.
all in-house then?
Yes,
Okay.
and in the case of the hen-laying golden eggs, again in the belly there are golden eggs inside, again that's made out of chocolate. We are doing everything out of chocolate.
Today we are here at Baker Street and we are here to try out one of the most expensive Easter eggs in Goa available. We're going to break into it and check out what's inside it. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. So here's what's inside it. You get Cadbury gems, Cadbury chocolate, shots, not the ones you drink by the way, nutties, Ferrero moment. So you guys already know what all the chocolates taste like. I'm going to try the shell and see how that tastes. Guys, it tastes like white chocolate. It is white chocolate. Tastes really nice. It's not that hard also, so you can really just chew it and enjoy it. It's definitely worth the hype. I mean, it's not hard like how Easter eggs you think, even though it looked hard while I broke it, but it isn't. It is very soft to eat and it's delicious as well.
They also have themed Easter eggs like the Dino egg, Squid Game, Pasta egg. For those looking for dark chocolate, there's an option of the Raspberry Blast and Honeycomb egg. So these are your options. They have other options in different tastes as well. So they also have these cute little duck-like Easter eggs available, and then these also cute little tiny ass ducks here. Flavored Easter egg chocolates available. That's mango chocolate, strawberry chocolate and orange chocolate. And another thing that you can try is their marzipan eggs. This is what a 10-inch Easter egg looks like, only available at Baker Street, and it is white chocolate.
So now we're going to try out the famous kunafa Easter egg. Also, you don't have to go all the way to Dubai to try kunafa when you can come here. It's okay. Definitely not going to Dubai to try them out now. It's very crunchy. It's the right amount of sweet. For those people who really think it'll be like chocolatey or anything like that, it's really nice. You would probably find like normal Easter eggs with like normal chocolate or marzipan and everything. So this is like a very interesting twist and a new introduction, like the kunafa taste. So guys, if you definitely want to try something like this, you know where to come.
For more such content on lifestyle and food, don't forget to follow Gomantak Times YouTube channel, your gateway to Goa.